Welcome for these short pranayama practices where we can help to shift the state of emotions, mind, and body relatively quickly and for the benefit of regaining clarity so that we can make better choices with whatever we're facing. This practice is to help us when the mind is feeling really scattered, how to wake up the neocortex, how to bring this back online, and then how to balance the two hemispheres of the brain. So these are two practices that we'll put together. The first one is a sipping inhale, where you're going to sip, 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 sip until you have a full inhalation. You'll hold that for a moment and then exhale like you're sighing. And we don't have a good name for this one, so we're just going to call it the sipping inhale, or sometimes I call it the sniffing inhale because it feels like you're going to sniff, 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 sniff until you have a full breath in. So let's do it together. And then sigh through the nose. Relax. Now we're going to repeat that. So a sniffing inhale, and you would do as many sniffs as are yours to do. You don't have to match exactly what our mind to do. Okay, so exhale like a sigh. Deeply relax. Let's do it one more time, okay? So sniff to your content, a sip as is according to your own capacity, and then we'll hold at the top, and then we'll exhale to release. Release the exhale like a sigh when you are ready to. Allow yourself to really deeply relax and to absorb the biochemical changes that are happening, the neurological, physiological updates that you're getting right now. It is important to rest before the next pranayama so that you're not going to feel breathless in the next activity. So deeply relax. And then bring your right hand up for Nadi Shodhana. So fold the first two fingers into the center of your palm. You have your thumb and then the ring finger as the pincers, like this. Okay. And what we're going to do is inhale left nostril, exhale right nostril, then inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right. So we always change the nostril after the inhalation. What we're doing is helping to support the nadis. This is called Nadi Shodhana. This is the subtle nervous system of yoga. So we're supporting the nadis to come into balance, the nervous system to come into balance, and also the two hemispheres of the brain to better collaborate. So let's place the right thumb to close the right nostril. Inhale left nostril. And then close the left and exhale right nostril. Inhale right. Exhale left. Now as you inhale left and exhale right for the next breath, start balancing the length of your inhale with the length of your exhale. So these two parts of the breath are going to be equal to one another. The in-breath and the out-breath. And you can finish with your next exhale through the left nostril. And then release your right hand back to your lap. And sit quietly to see if there's a felt sense of integration between the hemispheres of the brain, right and left, and perhaps a sense of integration between your deepest presence and the daily activities that are yours to tend to. Raise your hands to your heart if you like. So very frequently this sense of vacillation or inability to focus means that our doshas have gone out of balance, our nervous system is out of balance, and we've been hijacked by the two lower brains, that is your limbic brain and your lizard brain. So the first breath brings the neocortex back online. You're affecting the system through the sinus cavities, and the second breath helps to balance the right and left hemispheres of the brain. Often when we feel anxious, the right brain is prompting us about the anxiety, and the left brain is trying to solve that anxiety, but they're not collaborating to work on the harmony that we need to experience. So this Nadi Shodhana back and forth is a way of helping to bring that harmony between the two hemispheres of the brain. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me. See you next time.